अपनी फेवरेट फिल्मों के बारे में जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फिल्म कंपेनियन लोकल पर। बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आप एक भी अपडेट मिस न करें।
इंस्टाग्राम पे हमेशा हमें एंटरटेन करने वाली श्रुति हासन, कैसी हो यार?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
Fantastic. Welcome to my brand new show. It's called Bowl Baby Bowl on Film Companion.
Thank you for having me.
श्रुति, आई नो कि लॉकडाउन अलग अलग लोगों के लिए अलग अलग तरीकों से रहा है, लेकिन आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट दैट यू आर इन दिस वेरी कूल लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ होम इन हैदराबाद. There's a rock inside.
हाँ, ये बड़ा पत्थर है मेरे पीछे that everybody asks about कि ये क्या है? आप गुफा में हो क्या?
What is this cave? Tell us, ये कौन सी जगह है?
हाँ, मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के मेडिटेशन करके निर्वाणा अचीव करती हूँ मेरे गुफे में. Hyderabad is famous for its hills, so like Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills, kind of like California, Los Angeles की तरह. तो यहाँ पे इस घर में और काफी घर हैं हैदराबाद में जहाँ पे वो incorporate करते हैं the nature, that is the rocks.
Wow, it's really cool.
Yeah, it's a very Hyderabadi thing.
That's fantastic. I have 3 things जिसके लिए मुझे मुबारकबाद देती है श्रुति हासन को आज. सबसे पहले 14 million on Instagram. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, number 2, Asia's top 100 influential people. यार इस अवार्ड के बारे में बताओ. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's done by the New York Press Journal through somebody called Mr. Kiran Rai. And yeah, तो मैंने एक interview किया and I thought ये काफी serious interview होगा, but it was really fun and I liked it and I'm very honored, to be considered in that category.
Fantastic. And number 3, जिसके लिए मुबारकबाद देनी है, we have a Shruti Hasan release. I'm so excited, Yara.
After forever.
काफी long gap रहा है. We'll talk about what makes you choose a project in just a little bit. लेकिन 30th of July, Z5 original Yara. If I were in your place, I would say Tigmanshu Dhulia मेरे लिए reason होते for me to say yes to the film. तुम्हारे लिए कौन सी?
100%. No, that's it. The first and see, of course, मुझे script पढ़ना था, character क्या है, लेकिन उसके पहले भी I just always loved almost every character in any of his films. Like, he's a very intelligent filmmaker. He's a very astute. He's very artistic. So जब मुझे ये बात हुई थी with my manager at the time, Shobha San, she was like, "There's this Tigmanshu Dhulia film," and I was like, "Yes." Like, didn't even let her finish her sentence.
Yeah.
Sentence khatam hone se pehle I was like, yes. I'm really, really excited to have worked with him. और मैं हर इंटरव्यू में कहती हूँ कि there was a very paternal feeling from him, very much like a teacher, a mentor, और मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. तो for that I'm always thankful.
And it's fantastic. Chokri Gang है. पहले तो 1975, which I think is a landmark year in Indian cinema. अगर आप Bollywood की नजर से देखें तो of course there was Diwar, there was Sholay, there was Julie, what a great soundtrack. But also the fact that ये period में set है. I love the fact that I could wear the costumes of a certain time, even though I'm not a screen actor. I think there is something about the romance of the 70s जो तुम्हें भी explore करने को मिला इसके through.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. Actually, I wore bell bottoms for the first time, proper bell bottoms. And bell bottoms with Kolhapuri chappals was a thing, apparently. And I was like, this is so rad. This whole outfit was like, it was so slick, it was so cool. Like, the 70s just had like, dunya bhar, the 70s had like this vibe. Do you know what I mean? Like, even in the West, India maybe. Yeah, it's that 70s, that swag of the 70s. और उसके बाद to change and पहली बार मेरे career में I'm playing an older woman.
Yeah.
And I got some amazing advice actually from Papa.
Okay.
I said, Papa, I've never played an older woman. He said, okay. And I was like, I want to do, and I a lot of the times do the makeup myself. So I have a makeup artist, but even for D-Day, the scar and all, I like to do it myself. Also, I'm a control freak. So I was like, मैं खुद करती हूँ. So 2 great bits of advice. पापा ने कहा कि आप अपने मम्मा का फोटो रखो मेरा and see how our faces have aged and imitate that. और तभी मुझे समझ में आया कि they haven't aged much, so I shouldn't do like मैं बुढ़ी हो गई हूँ. They're like, my dad is 65 and he looks really good, So I was like, oh, okay, so I'm not going to be so I'll maintain that. Second thing is, I said, physically, मैं कैसे embody करूँ? He's like, it's very hard to emotionally imagine कि हम 20 साल बाद कैसे होंगे, even for an actor. He's like, usually एक reference होता है only based on your character. तो वो आप कर सकते हो, लेकिन physically, he said, अभी आपके body में आप देखो कि आपको कौन से weak spots हैं, your knees, your back. Use that as inspiration to weaken it further, but strength of spirit is always more as you grow older. तो मैंने this is like the only time मैंने पापा को फोन किया और पूछा कि dude, I'm really like lost, I don't know what to do, and this was amazing advice, so that was great.
Actually मेरा जो सवाल होने वाला था, and I'm so glad you actually brought us to this point in the interview, क्योंकि my reference for older people was a film जो 90s में आई थी, which was Lamhe. Okay, Sridevi ji's Lamhe, where she played the mother and the daughter. And एक scene is where she wears a little bit of like a face mask and there's some residue, and then she says, oh, if, अगर मैं थोड़ी सी उम्र की हो जाऊंगी तो मैं ऐसे लगूंगी. And I was actually going to bring that up, but I assume कि ये film तुमने शायद देखी होगी.
Yes, no, I mean it's a different, हर character का एक अलग journey होता है. तो to imagine what my character Sukanya would be like, उसने क्या क्या देखा होगा जिंदगी के बारे में, क्या सीखा होगा, that all has to come in, because I'm not playing Shruti at 50, So the journey of that, and she's a very, very interesting character, very, very interesting character.
Yeah, you see.
और दूसरी बात, sorry to interrupt, is अगर आप interviews देखें from 70s and 80s of the women, the actors, even even the male actors, but the female actors, the general band, actually वो हमसे ज़्यादा वो liberated थे, अपने carrying themselves, their opinions, you look at a Zeenat Aman, like she has more swag than any of us today.
Absolutely.
Iconic. I was really excited to embody the freedom of that generation.
Oh, how beautiful, and absolutely true. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं these are the women who made us, क्योंकि आज हम जो भी इन सबको देख के ही हम बने हैं. I also think what's interesting is the fact that there is this sort of, pairing of you and Vidyut, and Vidyut himself. मैं जानती हूँ Vidyut बहुत मेहनत करता है. Let's talk about the मेहनत of Vidyut Jammwal. I'm sure you have an insight into his work.
On his body? Yeah. On his body and his fights, yes, lots of mehnat. Definitely, I mean, he's dedicated to his physical being, and it shows.
Fantastic. The film is about friendship. Yara, of course, Friendship Day release bhi hai, which is kind of exciting. Let's take you back to the 90s at this point, because my Friendship Day reference is a 90s Bollywood film, jo hai Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, thanks to which we had friendship.
Oh my God, babe, don't even. Anjali, short-haired Anjali, Shah Rukh Khan's cool necklace. I mean, come on. Yeah, that film, like.
Did you ever celebrate Friendship Day school mein, college mein, or were you always too cool iske liye?
No, I loved the whole, like, Friendship Day was like all about those friendship bands, and you make them, and I was like well into like triple knotting and making the thick ones, and I was like, my friendship bands are cool. I remember my mom saying, homework nahi hai kya? Nahi mama, aaj kuch nahi, aaj Friendship Day. रात के 2 बजे तक I had made all these friendship bands. She's like, अगर तुम ऐसे पढ़ाई करती ना इतने dedication के साथ, that you make your friendship bands. So I remember that 90s was about the friendship bands and slam books. And like filling out.
Of course.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा हम आगे गए, and then we had ICQ, and it was so exciting. Computers life mein, and we were all the ICQ generation.
But my mom was monitoring our ICQ chat room so that we didn't like talk to strangers.
Auntie, what's the point?
Yeah, I was like, guys, जो भी बोलना है स्कूल में lunch break में बात करते हैं. My mom's on this ICQ chat room.
And ASL Please. Do you remember ASL Please?
I never used ASL, but like ICQ, and we could come up with our own names and all.
Correct.
So mine was like Hafe Noir, because I thought I was French or something. I don't know.
He behad cool, Shruti Hassan, too cool for everybody. You know, I would love to know, speaking of friendship, I think that मैंने अभी Sayami से बात की, Sayami Kher से, and she was telling me how there's this beautiful friendship that she shares with someone who's way older than her, and that's Gulzar Sahab, you know. And I think that is so beautiful. You know, I would love to know कि तुम्हारे इस यारा के शूट के दौरान were there any of these friendships that you might carry on for life? ऐसे कुछ बना है यहाँ पर?
I mean, definitely there was a friendly camaraderie throughout. But more than that, like with the tissue, sir, there's respect. Yeah. But in my life, I wouldn't call it a friendship. Again, it's based on respect. But someone I adore to pieces is Dimple, ma'am. Like, she's like my lady hero. I love her.
Are you friends?
See, I can't say friends because I respect her too much. But I love meeting up with her and hanging out with her and talking with her and listening to her stories. And unka jo attitude and positivity hai towards life, wo bahut hi inspiring hai.
You know, kya zindagi rahi hai. You were absolutely right.
And she's just easy about it, you know.
Yeah.
She's so chill about it. Like, she doesn't wear it like a badge of honor. She wears her achievements like a t-shirt, you know. She's amazing.
Yeah. And of course, that connection started with Sagar, with your father, I remember. And
I know.
Oh. I love it. Thank you for giving us this. One question though, as a friend, you know, अब हम थोड़े से दोस्त बन गए हैं, तो I think I can ask you this as a friend. Shruti, what is this light? Please explain to us, because look at me failing.
It's a ring light. Amazon पे मिलता है ring light with a stand.
I know.
Really simple. और इस पे ना light settings भी होते हैं, तो आप remote को लेके आप light settings भी change कर सकते हैं.
Oh, super! Giving demo. Shruti, I'm giving demo of ring light.
ये ring light जो है lockdown savior है. It's amazing.
It's true. I think I need to invest in one. Just get one, because I do.
It's not that expensive, huh?
I need to go, because I know for a fact somebody who is part of that 14 million family is that Shruti Hassan ने lockdown में बेहद online shopping की है.
Bombay में नहीं, सिर्फ हैदराबाद में. Bombay में my building was being really like cray, so I wasn't even getting Dunzo without them shouting. So I was like only in Hyderabad.
You know, it's so nice.
Dunzo की जय हो, Dunzo नहीं होता, तो I don't know what would happen to all of us.
It's so crazy how this lockdown has brought so many celebrities, or you know, people like yourself who are actors, so real. Like मुझे याद है, and I will never thank myself enough for this. In the beginning of the lockdown, जब उन्होंने वीडियो लगाया था बर्तन धोते हुए, it was a leveler, man. I was like,
who?
Katrina Kaif.
I don't see the big deal. We should be washing our own dishes. I mean, when I live in London, and she's from London, so it's probably not a big deal for her either. क्योंकि हमारा घर है, हमारे बर्तन हैं, हमारा फ्लोर है, हमारा बेड है, तो it's not a big deal to make your bed, do झाड़ू पोछा, do बर्तन. So I was like, interesting. I think it's a fantastic workout to do katka. I was like, मैं वो स्टिक वाला मॉप नहीं करूँगी, पूरा निचोड़ के बैठ के, like Gollum from Lord of the Rings, I'm going to do pocha.
It's so amazing. No, speaking of that, I remember recently, I don't know if it happened to you, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पर मुंबई में there were these crazy inflated, like, electricity bills, and people were tweeting about it.
I know.
And just when I thought कि यार हमारा क्या होगा, Taapsee Pannu, okay, another actor, and I love the women of today. She's tweeted about it and like brought the whole room down. I said, more power. Thank you for your behaving like regular people.
Everybody had crazy bills. Yeah. And मैं actually Bombay से Hyderabad आई ना, तभी मैं घर पे भी नहीं थी और same to same bill आया. तो उसे कौन सा भूत मेरा AC चला रहा है? आप लोग पागल हो गए हो क्या? Like, this is so silly. It was really bad.
You know, the best thing about the lockdown, as I said, is the fact that we get to speak to you guys through this sort of, format. And what do you miss the most in the real life that used to be? जो normal जिंदगी थी. Like, for example, I'll give you a choice. Going back on set, do you want to first go and sing in front of an audience? What is more dear to you?
I mean, honestly, मैं बोलूँ कि मुझे काम करना है. और we all need to get back to work. That's the important thing. और सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं, तो I think I would like to go back to a set because उसका ये मतलब है कि क्रू को भी काम मिलता है, जो लोग अभी 3-4 महीने से घर पे बैठे, द लाइटिंग डिपार्टमेंट, द प्रोडक्शन पीपल, लाइक सेट डिपार्टमेंट, ये उनकी रोजी रोटी है सिनेमा. तो आई रियली वांट टू गो बैक टू अ सेट फर्स्ट बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ अस कैन वर्क.
Are you paranoid about safety? Because I know for a fact that तुम गई थी कुछ shoot वूट करने and you went on a bit of a
half a day. Half a day. और 8 लोगों का सेट था, half a day. It's still very scary. उन्होंने पूरा सैनिटाइज किया था. जब शॉट नहीं था हम, I mean, they were all wearing masks anyway, but मैं भी शॉट के बीच में मास्क पहन रही थी. लेकिन you know, there was a moment in the scene where I touched something, I had to touch my face, and I'm thinking, my hand, and I'm like, I can't act like this, like ridiculous, you know. It's very much on your mind, but it is what it is. I don't think we can just be like, "Arey yaar, ho gaya abhi." Like we can't have that attitude. It is life threatening, and हर एक person का responsibility होता है कि हम संभाल के रहें, mask पहने. You know, when I see people without a mask, even if I'm going for a run, I'm like, excuse me, mask ka hai? Like I'm fully that auntie now.
I love it. Embrace the inner aunties inside of all of us.
Yeah.
Auntie bhi hai aur auntie bhi hai.
I mean, people, you know, people are dying. Look at the migrant workers not even able to get home. People are like have no money, and then some monkeys are just like, मैं mask नहीं पहनूंगा. Like I'm like, dude, come on, put it on, you know, because this is going to slow it down. Yeah.
I can never do a Shruti Hassan interview without hearing her sing. What are you going to sing for me today?
You only choose. I've decided, like even in the previous interview, I said today is Human Jukebox Day. Just imagine there's a list of songs on my face, like insert coin and make it.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Okay, Shruti
Pick a
Hassan.
song.
Okay, how about you sing us Samasha Bhosle?
Okay. जाने जा only, no? Yeah. जाने जा ढूंढती फिर रही मैं तुझे रात दिन अब यहाँ से वहाँ. I changed the gender because her part is like it's like it's so funny.
We don't want to even attempt to try and reach. You know,
she's like, and I'm like, kahan? I can't reach there.
But anyway, it's always been such a pleasure to speak to you. I wish you all the best for Yara, and I do hope.
Thank you so much.
And as a fan and somebody who's part of that family, I want to say I love those video blogs on Instagram. Don't apologize.
Thank you so much. Hi, मैं हूँ श्रुति हासन और मैं हूँ रोहिणी के साथ बोल बेबी बोल पर.